Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make very delicious simple lentils and rice recipe. So if you want to see how I prepare this, keep watching. So you're going to be needing a few ingredients for this recipe. This is my lentils in the water. I'm going to be using a few cloves of garlic, bay leaf, olive oil, cherry tomatoes, salt, and a little bit of celery. Into the pot, I'm going to add extra virgin of olive oil, enough to cook the amount of the lentils you're making. Allow the oil to heat up a little, then throw in the garlic. After about 2 minutes, go ahead and add the cherry tomatoes. As you can see, I sliced the cherry tomatoes before adding them. So go ahead and do that. I did mine off the camera. So I'm going to season that with a little bit of salt and bay leaf. You can add black pepper here. And mind you, I have other lentils recipe here. I'm going to be linking them at the screen, okay? Description. So after stirring them, I'm going to allow the tomatoes to cook down for 3 minutes before adding the lentils. I love to wash my lentils for like 3 times with fresh water before cooking them. So go ahead and add the lentils into the tomatoes. Stir everything together. After stirring them, I'm going to add water to be at the same level with the lentils. But you can use vegetable broth to do this if you want more taste or just your choice, okay? In this recipe, I'm using fresh water to cook them, or warm or hot water, okay? So I'm going to add them at the same level with the lentils, stir everything and put the lid on and allow that to cook on a medium-low heat. This is after a few minutes, guys. I'm back trying to check on lentils. Go ahead and stir them and check the consistency. So I'm trying to check if they are well cooked now or not. As you can see, they are still strong. So I'm going to put back the lid on and allow the lentils to continue cooking. If the water you added earlier is not enough to cook them, go ahead and add another water or broth, okay? So here we are. The lentils are well cooked right now, and I've already cooked my white rice separately off the camera, okay? So right now I'm going to start dishing them out. That is it, guys. This food takes few minutes and few ingredients, very delicious and full of protein. You need to give it a try, guys. So here is I added the lentils into the plate. I'm going to add some rice into the plate as well. Just portion them the way you want, okay? So after doing that, I'm going to add extra virgin of olive oil on top of it. Yes, add extra virgin of olive oil. Mix everything together and enjoy your lentils and rice. Very simple to put together, and they are very delicious and has a lot of health benefits. I hope you give this video a try. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you all. Bye.